Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you button crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Friends, first make a button flower, glue colorful butter into paper or canvas to create a beautiful flower design. These flowers never need water and always look bright. Another lovely idea is button wall art. Arrange button into shape like heart, tree, butterflies or animal. Frame your artwork and display in your home. And friends, viewers, you can also decorate photo frame with buttons. Simply glue button around the frame to create a colorful and unique design. Button bookmark are easy, useful, attached to a ribbon or paper clip and create a very cute bookmark for your favorites. Book for children. Button crafts are fun activity. Make colorful birds, fish, flowers. Kids enjoy creating different shapes with buttons. And friends, viewers, so friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.